Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Let's Learn BIM. Today I came with a very interesting topic. If you are into construction industry or willing to move in, the first and foremost question you will have is what is CAD, what is Revit and what is BIM? These questions will definitely bother you if you are a beginner, but after watching this video all those questions or doubts will disappear. I promise you. So let's jump into the topic. Firstly, I will start with a very basic question. What is CAD? Before learning about CAD, do you know how was the life before AutoCAD? People used to spend days and months to draw simple drawings. The beginning of CAD can be traced to the year 1957 when Dr. Patrick J. developed Pronoto, the first commercial numerical control programming system. Patrick J. was an American computer scientist and a businessman, commonly referred to as the father of CAD or CAM. Up to 2013, he was president and CEO of manufacturing and consulting services of Scottsdale, Arizona, a company he founded. In 1916, Evan Sutherland created Sketchpad, which demonstrated the basic principles and feasibility of computer technical drawing. The Sketchpad system was the first graphical computer interface. It made it possible for a man and computer to converse rapidly through the medium of drawing. Early computer technology at Lincoln Laboratory led to the computer graphics and the functionality of your touchpad which you are using now. How do you felt after knowing this? Please leave a comment in the comment section. And now let us come back to the current world. If you're gonna ask me the same question again, what is CAD? To put it in a simple word, CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, and it is mainly used by designers, engineers and manufacturers to create a detailed design of 3D models or 2D drawings of a physical component. If you ask me to make much simpler, it's a drafting tool. Yep, it's a drafting tool, not a design tool. I can justify it with an example. If you draw two parallel lines to indicate a wall, the software does not understand the significance of those two lines. It does not know whether it should host a door or a window. Yes, it does not understand what these parallel lines are. As a CAD operator, it's your thought process in saying them as a wall. Accordingly, when you draw several lines for the same building, meaning ground floor, first floor, second floor, roof, in 3 or 4 different files, again, the software doesn't understand these files are interrelated. Once you finish plans, you will start discussing how to create sections, elevations, detail layouts, 3D views, so on and so forth. But again, all these should be prepared manually and the software doesn't understand the significance of these floor plans, section plans, 3D views, and they are interrelated. And they all are representing the same building. Now, one of the major problem that people face using AutoCAD is when a change in the design occurs, the engineer or the draft person should go and update all the floor plans, section layouts, 3D views and other drawings manually, which will make very suitable environment to make errors. But keeping all this aside, AutoCAD can allow you to create accurate and detailed designs, ensuring precise measurements for dimensions, lines and shapes. It increases the efficiency and streamlines the design process with features like templates, blocks and shortcuts. AutoCAD is versatile. It caters to various industries including architecture, engineering, manufacturing, interior design, gold and diamond designing, 3D printing, so on and so forth. It helps in improving the visualization of 3D and 2D designs effectively, aiding in better decision making and communication. It also has extensive library of resources. You could access a wealth of pre-built components, symbols and design elements. Finally, it's easy to do documentation and annotation. AutoCAD simplifies documentation and annotation process, enhancing project clarity. I hope I created some value. In the next part of this video, I will talk in more detail about Revit and BIM. So please subscribe to my channel to avoid missing any upcoming videos. And please share this video with your family, friends and colleagues. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please do provide your valuable comments and suggestions so that I can improve myself in the upcoming videos. Thanks again. Bye.